Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by adding your site and securing your account so data is reliable. This is how and why it matters. Create the project, verify ownership, and enable 2FA for protection. Once done, add the canonical domain and select HTTP or HTTPS to avoid mixed indexing. Then upload or point to your sitemap. XML and confirm robots. TXT allows the panel's crawler. These first actions ensure accurate crawling and reporting, so make sure to complete them before moving into analysis. Now you configure crawling and start detailed audits so problems surface early. Set crawl frequency, user agent, and depth. You do this to match site size and server capacity. Run a full audit to detect indexability issues, broken links, duplicate titles, and missing schema. These items directly impact search visibility. Next, create keyword groups and enable rank tracking, adding competitor domains for context. Once these are running, you'll get prioritized tasks and data-driven recommendations to act on. Finish by implementing fixes and creating a monitoring rhythm so improvements stick. Tackle high-impact items first, redirect chains, canonical conflicts, and slow-loading pages, and deploy fixes with version changes. Once fixed, trigger recrawl and watch rank and traffic reports to confirm recovery. Make sure to set alerts for regressions. If issues persist, check server logs, review recent deployments, and roll back if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: rerun the audit and compare snapshots to pinpoint when the regression started.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.